Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I want to show you how you can set one-tap optimization feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can place the Optimize shortcut or widget from Device Care on your home screen for one-tap performance boost. So let me show you how to do this. So here as an empty screen, we'll go ahead and long press. We'll tap on widgets, and here we'll go ahead and find the Device Care option. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find all these widgets. So here you can go ahead and add the 2x1 Optimize feature, or this one here, or this one, or this one, any you like. I'll go ahead and choose the 4x1. I'll add. And now this widget basically gives me information on my storage information and on my memory information. However, as I said, you can basically set a one-tap optimization feature. So this is the one tap here. So whenever you feel that your phone is running slow or it's just lagging, you can come to this widget here and just go ahead and tap on Optimize. This will now start to optimize your phone in the background. And as you can see, it has given me the message that your phone has been optimized. So this basically quickly frees up your RAM, close background apps, and keeps your phone running smooth without diving into settings. So there you go guys, that is how to set one-tap optimization feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.